Today I'm going to be talking about how to get over gym anxiety. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be talking about is I've gotten so many questions about this topic that I figured I might as well just make a video about it and share my answers with you guys about this. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Quick little intro here. And like I said before, I get asked about this so much, and honestly it's such a great question because I dealt with this in the beginning of my fitness journey too. I wasn't always a huge lover of the gym. I didn't always get super excited to go to the gym. In the beginning, for a good, I would probably say like month or two, I had such bad gym anxiety. I wouldn't go by myself. I would always be asking my friends or my boyfriend to go with me, and if they couldn't go, I would just use that as an excuse not to go because I was just, sorry, I thought I heard a bug, but it's just my cat on the scratching post. That made me nervous. Oh yeah, so if they didn't go with me, then I was highly unlikely to go. And for a long time it was like, you know, I started working out at home. I would just do stuff that I was comfortable with at home, body weight, exercise stuff. And then eventually I wanted to take my fitness journey to the next level, but I had gym anxiety. I was afraid to go to the gym by myself. I just created this like scenario in my head that when I got to the gym, everyone was gonna look at me weird and make fun of me because I didn't know what I was doing, and I was gonna like mess up or fall down, or just something horrible was gonna happen, and I was just terrified to go to the gym by myself. So I always would just go with friends, go with my boyfriend, whoever would go with me, I would just go so I didn't have to go alone. But eventually I remember there being one day where I forget exactly what was going on, but no one could go with me, and I really wanted to go to the gym. I was starting to get into working out more, and I just really wanted to get there. So I pushed past my own mental blocks and I went to the gym. And I think the first time that I went to the gym by myself, I think I just stuck to like cardio machines, and I did some ab stuff on the mats. Like I didn't touch the weights, I didn't go on any machines, but what I celebrated was that I went to the gym by myself. And once I got over that first time of going to the gym by myself, everything just fell into place from there. And I know you're thinking, well, like, yeah, that sounds, you know, all good and stuff, but I can't get past my gym anxiety yet. How do I get past this? So one thing to keep in mind that I learned myself and that really helped me was remembering that the scenario that you've created in your head is always so much worse than the reality. Your brain anxiety goes to the worst case scenario. It thinks about the worst possible outcome. It doesn't think about anything good that could happen. It only thinks about, you know, what if you mess up? What if you fall? What if people stare at you? What if people make fun of you? Literally none of that is going to happen. I promise you, once you step foot into that gym and you do whatever it is that you feel like doing, whatever you're most comfortable with, you're gonna see that you hyped up this thing in your head for so long for no reason. Like I said, it's never as bad in reality as it is in the situation that your head created. My next tip is also to just go, and you don't have to go and do a full workout in the free weight section your first time at the gym. Take it slow. This is not a race. This is a journey. There's no rush to do anything. So your first time, you know, do what you're comfortable with, even if that means just sitting on the treadmill for a half hour or going on the elliptical for a half hour. Do what you're comfortable with, and, you know, people watch. If there's a machine that you want to use but you're not sure how to use it, keep your eye on it while you're doing something else and see if you see someone use it, and then you can get a visual of how to use it. Or go up to it. Usually most machines have little like little pictures that kind of show you how to use it, so you can look at that and it'll show you how to use it. If you need to see more than just a picture and you're still unsure, take a picture of the name of the machine, and then when you go home later, Google it, YouTube it, see how to use it. You know, just do your research and take things slow. Do what you're comfortable with, because like I said, your first time at the gym doesn't have to be, you know, a full session in the free weight section. Do what you're comfortable with and slowly work your way to new things. No! My dog has this basket that it's made of like wicker, I guess, and it has all of her toys in it. And what does she do? She chooses to chew the basket itself and not the toys. Usually it's like up and away from her, but we move stuff around, so yeah, she was just biting it. That's good. Back to what I was talking about. Another thing you can do that'll really help you try new things without, you know, going all in at once is to do something new each time. Just one exercise. You can do one set of it, you know, a couple reps, whatever. Just try one thing that's new for you each session. So say what you usually do when you go to the gym is you just go on the treadmill and then you do some stuff on the mats like body weight or with resistance bands, but you really want to get into weights. Before you come to the gym, Google something super simple like bicep curls with dumbbells. or bicep curls with a barbell, one of the free bars, or anything similar. Even, you know, hip thrust with a barbell or shoulder press with dumbbells. Just find something super simple and super easy that you can learn by watching a video. And then during your next workout session, go and try that one thing. You don't have to do your entire workout in the free weight section. Just do what you normally do and then go and try that one exercise. And trying that one new exercise, doing it, going out of your comfort zone slightly is gonna boost your confidence, and it's gonna make you more likely to keep trying new things. But the only way really to get to that point is it does take a bit of a mental push. And like I said, I know what gym anxiety feels like. It's like suffocating. You wanna go, but you're afraid of what can happen. But it's all fear-based and it's not reality. It is so much worse in your head than it really is when you get there. So when you get there, just take your time, try some new things each session, 1 or 2 new things. And over time, before you know it, you're gonna be, you know, doing more stuff in the free weight section. You're gonna be using machines that you may not have used a month ago. You're gonna be doing new things that you haven't been doing at all this whole time because you took it slow. It's not a race. You don't need to do, you know, crazy weight sessions your first time going to the gym. Just take each session slowly. Do what you're comfortable with. Introduce new things slowly. Google stuff, YouTube stuff, watch videos, research, work with a personal trainer if you have the ability to do so. There's so many different ways to get yourself past that gym anxiety. And another thing to always keep in mind, whether it's with gym anxiety or you just, you know, are struggling with motivation, remember why you want to do this in the first place. Whether it's to lose weight, to put on weight, to look a certain way, to, you know, to get to a strength goal. If you're training for a competition, or you want to be in competitions one day, or you have an event coming up in a couple months that you want to look a certain way for. I mean, literally whatever it is that you're working towards, remember that, because that's your why. And your why is what's going to get you past those mental blocks. It's what's going to get you out of your comfort zone and doing things that you've never done before to achieve these goals. Because if you want to achieve something that you currently don't have and something that you've never had before, you have to do things you've never done before. So always remind yourself, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Why do I even want to go to the gym? What am I working towards? What are my goals? Do I want to be healthier? Do I want to increase my bicep size? Do I want to get stronger? Do I want to be able to do X amount of push-ups? Do I want to be able to lift weight without having anybody help me? Lift up boxes if you have a job that requires strength? Whatever it is, whatever your why is, remind yourself of that. Meditate on that. Visualize yourself with the body that you want, or you visualize yourself achieving that goal that you're working towards. Motivate yourself, because motivation will also push you past that gym anxiety, because motivation is determination, and that's going to get you past fear. It's going to push you past that gym anxiety and get you in the gym, get you doing things you've never done before so you can see results that you've never seen before. So over the weekend, we took in a cat. My mother-in-law is moving and she's not going to have time for her cat or something like that. So we took him home. This is Gibson. And him and my other cat, Sophie, they've met before. So the first day was a little rough. They had one fight, but they haven't fought since then. And actually today they've been getting along so well. They've been kind of like, she's been trying to play with him a little bit, and she's just been kind of like chasing him and following him around. And he's older than her, so he's like, whatever. But he's super cuddly and sweet. Like, he's literally just sitting on my lap right now. He's so cute. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are someone that's been struggling with gym anxiety recently, I hope that this helps you. I hope you find something in this video to take with you to hopefully get you pushing past that gym anxiety and getting you in the gym like you really strive for. If you have any other questions about gym anxiety, you still need some advice, still need some help, drop a comment below, send me a DM on Twitter or Instagram, and I will definitely get back to you in the comments. If you send me a DM, I will most likely get back to you. I just get a lot of DMs, so sometimes it takes me a little bit longer. But reach out to me if you have any other questions about gym anxiety. Like I said, this is something that I dealt with myself, so I know what it feels like, and I know that it is possible to push past it. So thank you for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I hope you have So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. You're a good boy, kid. You're a good boy. Where are you going, bud? What are you doing? You can't see him there, I don't think. No? Yeah. You're just like sitting on my back. Gib.